Hi, this is the Mini Learning Kit. In this video we're going to have a little look at how to set it up. So if we have a peek inside, we can see that you get your mini table stick. So if we take off this sleeve and then it opens up to a full-size table stick with the nice bright bold landmark numbers exactly as on the large magnetic table stick. We also get the instruction leaflet and then the sets of colour-coded times table cards. So your first job is to take each of these frames, pop out the mini cards and put them into sets for each times table so they look like this. You'll also see that you have a set of these orange and blue cards, which are doubling and landmark cards and sticky and tricky, and we'll have a look at those in another video. So after you have popped out all of your cards and put them into little colour-coded sets, you're going to put them into each of the sections along one side of your box so that it looks like this. Then you're ready to go. Okay, see you soon in another video.